Woohoo, we back out here, boys. I got Garnico with me today. We came out here, Reservoir, SLR. We're gonna put in the work today. Doing a 3-lake challenge. Starting off at the Banos Reservoir. O'Neill Forebay's next. Then the D-Dam. We're trying to catch fish on all 3 lakes. Let's see how this goes. You know, I'm out here with just one rod and the rattle trap. Dead calm, waiting for the storm, just wanting to come in. I got my rain gear on me, can't take no chances. Get the first cast out the way. We're on the other side of the lake. We caught nothing. No bites, nothing. Just a long hike. We'll get them though. We'll be back. We're gonna come back for the afternoon. Maybe the storm got them acting weird. But now we gotta head back to the truck. We're probably gonna go to the Forebay now. Hit up checkpoint 12. Whew! Gotta kill the skunk somehow. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Spot number 2. We at the Forebay now. We still out here grinding, right? We still out here grinding.
Yeah, we're
gonna try fishing this checkpoint 12. This little bend for some largemouth bass real quick. See if we get a couple bites, and then we'll hit up the floodgates. Try to see if we can get our redemption on some stripers. Stripers are a little bit smaller here, but hey, some big ones get caught. So we'll see how it goes here. And after this lake, we're gonna head down to the D-Dam. We're at the Forebay now. You know what that means. Gotta throw on this little robo worm. It's a little drop shot robo worm action. Got him. Oh, that was a flyer. That was a flyer. Yes, sir. Little largy, little baby largy. Little baby largy. Killing the skunk. You know what I mean? Killed the skunk here at the Forebay. Like second cast in. Little pink drop shot. That dipped tail. No biggie. Check that out. Yes, sir. Catch and release today, boys. Yes, sir. Everything's on board. Yes, sir.
Let's go, baby.
Yes, sir.
Kill the skunk, boys.
Yes, sir. Hey, Forebay doing us good. Christian got his first one. Yup. Hey, son, they'll get bigger. Yup, hooked up. Little baby. Little baby on the drop. Little baby on the drop. Little baby on the drop. Damn. That worm is gone. That worm is gone. She's real hungry. Later, dude. start popping off.
Got him. Oh, good one too.
There's the third one right there. The third one on that purple mondo worm. Yes, sir. There you go. Yeah, it's a nice one right there, brother. As y'all can tell, Forebay is doing us real good right now. That's the third fish. We've only been here for like 30 minutes, if that, maybe less, maybe 20. We're gonna keep fishing. Hopefully we get a big old mama so we can show you guys what the Forebay produces. We are on lake number 3, the D Dam or Tigalita. We still grinding it. We got 7 fish in total. We just had some panda to get us through the rest of the day. Gonna take a little hike, walk this little pathway, see if we get ourselves a big mama. Oh my God. Had one on the drop shot. Oh, dude, are you serious? I need to expose the hook. Yes, sir. Damn, that dude's eating, bro. Yeah. I got one. Oh, this is a good one. Come on, baby. No! What a rookie mistake. It came off. No. Damn, bro, this is looking good. It's looking good. Got another one. Oh, damn. I'm feeling head shakes. Oh, shit. This one might beat you. This one might beat yours. Come here, baby. Ah, yeah. Woo. I gotta weigh this one. Oh, we found him. We found him. Oh, I'm zooming in. We got him right here.
Let's go, baby.
Oh, shit. This treacherous train right here.
God.
What you think?
It's gonna be close, man.
It's gonna be close, huh? What did yours weigh? 113?
113.
113? 113 is to beat. We're about to find out right now. It's on. It's at 0. Moment of truth. I gotta be 113.
2 pounds, 9 ounces.
Yeah, oh boy, there it is. I got the big one.
2 pounds.
The 2 pound big one. Biggest one so far.
Yep. Let's go. Look at that chunk.
Let this guy go. Lead him. Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
So fucking pumped.
Yes, sir. Garnica just caught one. I just ran over here. I'm gassed. Nah, 1.8. Your other one was bigger.
Yeah.
Hey, we killing him though, my dude.
Hell yeah.
We're fucking getting him. We're gonna keep on fishing because we gotta break 2 pounds, 9 ounces. Oh, yup. Got his ass. Oh, he's gonna jump. Oh, oh. How good is he? How good is he? Feels heavy, bro. Oh shit, he's jumping again. Oh, this is better. I'm gonna need your help for this one. Oh yeah, this one's better. He swallowed it too. Right there by those rocks or what? He looks better, huh? Don't you get it? Yes, sir! Dude! Little football's coming out of here, bro.
Ooh, look at that.
You need help or you good?
I got it.
Look at that shit, bro.
Dude, he's pushing 3.
You think so? Look at what just popped off. Clean. Oh my goodness.
3?
2-3. What do we have to beat?
209.
209, so 2 3s and you won. Look at the belly on this dude. Holy shit.
Let's go.
That's
baby.
what we come out for right there.
Let's go.
Right there. Okay, a quick little release on this guy. Later. Damn, my boy got another one. About to measure it right now, about to weigh it. We just walking down the shore, throwing his ankles as far as we can, letting him sink all the way down. 111. Damn. Almost.
We're getting there.
Hell yeah we are. This guy finally beat the record. It was 2-3, now it's 2-12. This big old fatty. We managed to double up though. I got myself one too. Yes sir. Hey, we killing it right now. It's getting lit out here.